Hello everyone, exam season is coming and I realized that a lot of people still not very familiar using their calculator. So in this video, I'm going to share with you the basic operation of a calculator. So here is how it's going to work. I have 10 questions to be displayed to you and every question is going to take like 10 to 12 seconds, alright? And you will be given a timer. You have to solve the question using your calculator. Answers will be displayed immediately after the question. And let's start this quiz right now. So how was it? 10 questions already. How did you fare over the quiz just now? Comment down below how many questions that you get it right, alright? I'm really looking forward to your comments. Let's see who will get 10 over 10 correct. So for question 1, square root, you're gonna press this button, square root 2.532, press equal. So you get that answer for question 1, okay? So for this calculator model, you're gonna press square root over here and then just click in 2.532, press equal. They are gonna match, right? So this is actually question 1. To type cube root, right, you're just gonna observe the yellow color on top, cube root. So you're gonna press shift followed by this button right here, then the cube root will be out. So key in your question 5.865.86, press equal, and you will get the answer for question 2. Same goes to this calculator over here. There's actually a cube root symbol on top. You have to press shift followed by this button. So the cube root is out ready, then you click 5.86, press equal, and the answers are going to be matched. Let me give you an example for root with the power of 8. Okay, so you need to observe this one, the yellow color one. It shows that it's actually that root with the power of x over there. So for this calculator model, right, you need to click on 8 followed by shift and this button right here. So you will see the symbol root with the power of x, right? And you're gonna key in your question 2.5. So put 2.5 and press equal. So that's how you do for this calculator model, right? For this calculator model, it's actually easier. So the location is actually the same for both of this side and this side. Click on shift followed by this button right here. So you're gonna prompt you 2 boxes. The first box definitely gonna fill in the power 8, and then for this box you're gonna key in 2.5. Press equal and they should be getting the same answer. Question 4, 1.08, right? Key in 1.08, and whenever you're gonna have power of 2, you click on this button, right? And you get it. Press equal. Okay, so the location is actually the same over here, right? Click your 1.08 first, and then followed by this button for square. Alright, then press equal. So you will get a fraction over here, right? So you can click on this button S to D and you will get decimal, right? So it's gonna be the same. Power of 3, let's go. So this question is gonna be 2.4 first. Click in 2.4. For power of 3, you can see it's actually yellow color on top over here. So you have to press shift followed by this button for power of 3. Okay, so press equal. Alright. Alternatively, you can use this button right here actually for power. Let me show you one more time. Remember 13.824. So once again, I repeat 2.4. Click on this button for power. Actually, this is actually power, and then you put 3. So you will actually get the same answer. Alright. So for this calculator model, again, you're gonna click 2.4 first. Again, you want to get the power of 3. You're gonna press the shift button followed by this. So you can actually get the answer 13.824. So another way you can actually use is this function over here. Click on this, then it's so much easier. They prompt you the 2 numbers to fill up in the boxes. Click 2.4, right arrow, and put the powers. Any power it will do, right? So this question is going to be power of 3, put equal. So press S to D, and there you have it. The answers are going to match. For large powers like question 6 right here, right, you key in your 1.2 first and use this button for large powers. Okay, click on this and you're gonna key in 22 right now. Press equal. So that's actually the answer for large powers. So this calculator model is definitely easier. Click on this button to prompt 2 boxes and you can fill in your question 1.2. Click on the right arrow. From here onwards, you can key in any large powers. So you can put 22 and press equal. So that's how you do this question. Question 7 is to test your negative number skill. Negative, you can actually use this minus sign, or you can actually use this symbol. Okay, it's gonna be the same. Let me show you. So you press negative 2.52 multiply with 3.12. Okay, so once you are done, you can press equal. So you get that answer, negative 7.8624. Once again, right, I'm going to prove to you, you can click on this button for negative actually. So 2.52 multiply with 3.12. So press on the equal button and you can see it's actually going to be the same, yeah. So for negative, you can click on this or this. Alright, so for this question, it's going to be the same, exactly same in fact. So click on negative 2.52 multiply with 3.12. Press on equal, and I notice this calculator usually will show the fraction first, so you click on S to D and you will see the decimal right now. Actually, no matter what the models of calculators that you're using, right, the positioning are actually roughly the same. So this is actually for square root, this is actually for square root, this is for square, this is square, this is large powers, this is large power. So for fraction, it's actually this button over here. So you can see clearly this is fraction. For this model, it's not so clear. It's actually this button like A, B, C, alright, for fraction. Okay, so to do the question 8 over there, right, so let's do the numbers first. So 3 over, right, so this is actually fraction over 8. And then you click on multiply followed by your next number, right? So click on 3 over 7. Okay, once you are done with the question, press equal. Alright, so you get 9 over 56. So this calculator is so much easier, and you know, it's much more clear. So you click on 3, let's go down, that's gonna be 8, right arrow, right, to bring it to the right, multiply. Click on this button for fraction again,
and now you just key in, right? 3, go down and click on 7. Once you're happy with it, press equal. Right, so you gotta match the answer 9/56. Question 9 is to test on your mixed number skill. So this calculator is actually easier. Okay, so you click on 1, then 2, repeat 3. So this is how you type mixed number 1, 2/3. Alright, plus. So to type 2, 5/6, you press 2 followed by this like ABC. Okay, and then you press on 5, press on this, and 6 like that. So that's how you do the mixed number plus another mixed number, press on equal. So you get the mixed number answer shown on your calculator screen. This is actually 4, 1/2. Okay, so for this calculator, right, you need to use this like this shift button, the function on top, right? Click on shift followed by this, and you will get that mixed number 3 boxes for you to fill up. So we are going to fill up the question right now. So 1, right arrow to prompt you to the right, 2/3 like that. Okay, so click on right arrow again, then you perform your operation plus again shift followed by this button to get a mixed number out. So key in your numbers, right? 2, 5 down over 6. Once you're happy, press equal. Okay, so to show you 9/2 actually is the same, so you can press this button 4.5, and if I press the button again, you get 9/2, right? So how to show 4, 1/2 a mixed number? You will have to press shift followed by this button, and you will get mixed number. There you go. Now I'm going to show you 2 methods to type. Okay, so you can click on 4 multiply with 10, and to show large powers, I taught you to use this button. So you can click on this followed by 5. Okay, press on equal. That's how you get 400,000. Alright, another button that I'm going to teach you today is actually like, you know, this button over here, times 10 to the power of something. So this is having the same location as this EXP, standing for like 10 to the power of something, or exponents, right? So you can click on your question, which is actually 4, then click on this EXP. So you get that E over there, right? Don't worry, then you click on the power of 5. Just press 5, and you should be able to get 400,000. Okay, now I'm going to show you this calculator right now. So for this calculator, click on 4, multiply, then press this button. So you have 2 boxes to fill, alright? So this is easier. Click on 10, right arrow, and put on your powers. Press equal. So you get 400,000. Okay, now the second method, right, is to use this button right here. So put on the number 4, followed by this button, and go ahead and put your power. So just put 5 and press equal. So that's how you actually use this button. Okay, so a lot of students didn't realize that you can actually use this button for times 10 to the power of something. So that's actually question 10.
So that's it for this week. Don't forget to like the video and comment how many questions did you get it correct for the quiz just now. And don't forget to subscribe to Mr. Alvin, and as always, I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.